Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to find the volume of the region bounded by two curves in here, and it's rotated about the y-axis. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to graph the function. The graph of y equals to 2 plus 4x minus x squared. The graph should be like this. The next one, y equals to 1 over 2 x minus 2 to the power of 2. The graph should be like this. Now, the area we need to concentrate. I need to change a little bit. So, that is about this one. And we know that it is rotated about the y-axis. Now we need to find the intersection in here and here. So we have y and y. So we have 2 plus 4x minus x squared equals to 1 over 2 x minus 2 to the power of 2. So number 2 we put in here, and then we have 4 plus ax minus 2x squared. Next, we need to expand this one, so we have x squared minus 4x plus 4. Later that, I will put this one go to the left. So negative 2x squared with negative x squared, we have negative 3x squared. Ax with 4x, we have 12x. 4 and 4 we cancel. And now we need to find the solutions of this one. So we see that s and s we can do about factorization. So this one we have s equals to number 0 and 12 minus 3s equals to number 0. So we calculate about this one, and we have s equals to number 4. So this one is about 0. This one is about number 4. And now we can set up about the integration. So we can use about shell method. So we have 2b in here from 0 to number 4 because we have the bound in here. S. Now we need to use about upper minus lower. So on the graph, this one that is about the lower. This one is about the upper. So the upper that is about this one. The lower that is about this one. Now we need to simplify this one. So we have 6s minus 3 over 2s squared. So s multiplied by 6s, we have 6s squared. And the next one, s to the power of 3 ds. And now we have the final answer. The integration of s squared, we have s to the power of 3 over 3. The next one, that's about s to the power of 4 over 4. And we put the bar from 0 to number 4. Now I will put number 4 gone here, number 0 gone here. So we will have the final answer. And we have 64b in here. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.